Alright, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to change your windshield wipers. Well, actually, the rubber that goes within your windshield wipers. So you don't have to buy the whole replacement wiper blade for $20 each at the auto parts store. So I picked up the refills for $8 on Amazon. It comes with 4, so I can do 2 cars worth. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the windshield wiper. I flip it up. This has a little release tab on the bottom that I just pull down slightly. So what we're going to be replacing is this rubber strip that's in here. This one is just old and worn. So you look at this. On this side, you won't be able to get it out from this side. So if you look on the other side, you'll see that there's an opening right there. So that's where you're going to be removing the rubber from. So you slide it out. As you lift, just like that. Now, I'm going to go over here, compare this to the new rubber. The new one's just a little bit longer. I'm gonna hold my finger there so I know where to cut it. And get my scissors, make the cut. Now we're gonna come back to the windshield wiper. I'm gonna start sliding it in that same side. Just like that. There you go. So $8 instead of $40. Make sure it clicks into place. And that's it, you're done.